the level of the minimum jackfruit leg, a variety of reforms to dry your jackfruits in a renewable process of dried jackfruits begins on the farm with selecting fully ripe jackfruits.
Fresh jackfruits are carefully harvested to preserve quality for dried jackfruits production.
And jackfruits, including the solution to equipped items. Fresh jackfruits are transported quickly to the factory.
At the factory, jackfruits are inspected to ensure only high-quality fruit becomes dried jackfruits. Psyche the lug right moisture on internal line, especially on a small piece of the winehouse, to the winehouse features level.
Fruits are carefully cut open to extract the edible flesh for dried jackfruits.
Prepared jackfruits are arranged neatly before entering the dried jackfruits drying stage.
Extrusion. The drying process transforms fresh jackfruits into...
For the working of fluid. Mixing dried.
Precise control guarantees safe and high-quality dried jackfruits.
Quality checks ensure only the best dried jackfruits reach consumers.
Sorting ensures uniformity and premium presentation of dried jackfruits.
Jackfruit's proper packaging protects dried jackfruits from moisture and contamination.
Finished dried jackfruits are labeled and prepared for market delivery.
From farm to factory, this is the complete process of making premium dried jackfruits.